put a message. Okay, I think hope many have not gone through it, right? Yes, please. Yes, had your breakfast, Barmani. Okay, hope you have internal test on Monday. Okay, have you gone through it, na? Notice and all. Yes, 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 please. Very good, very good. Be prepared and be confident. Okay, exactly at 10:30 I will put the question paper in group. Okay. Yes, can you hear me? Barmani, can you hear me? Okay, okay, exactly at 10:30 I will yes, I will put a question paper. Don't worry, prepare, be confident. Okay, what are the modules? Sequencing, game theory, and half module of transportation. Yes, half. See, I will give 3 questions, each question containing AB bit. No, write one, say for each question carries 15 marks. Yeah, once again in question you have A and B bit. Okay, A bit carries some marks, B bit carries some marks, total 15 marks. Likewise, 3 questions I am giving you, or else 2. Okay, no problem. For 3 questions I am giving, choice is yours. But anyway, 1 question you have to solve. Total your internal marks is 15, no? Yes, 15, 1 5. Therefore, you attempt any 1 question out of 3. So, sequencing, game theory, and part of transportation. Yeah, graphic also comes sometimes. I don't know, but be prepared, yaar. Be prepared. Correct, no? Yes, yes. Today is Friday. Only 2 days are left. I think you have prepared enough already. OR subject. Yeah, you don't have any confusion or any confusion in state of mind. No. Are you Halaskar? Are you confident enough now to face the exam, VTU exam? Whatever we have covered the topics. Say 4 modules completely. Okay, and whatever you have prepared so far, prepare and be thorough in those modules only. Don't try for the module which I have not taught so far. Till today I am talking. Okay, we have completely taken 4 modules. Be perfect in 4 modules first. Then when I start the next module, second module, then we will take thoroughly once again. And hope you know. We have technical seminar. You have, and you have internship seminar. Okay, who is your guide? Just you consult him, and you and guide, whenever you people feel convenient to have seminar, you can have it. That guidelines. Okay, who was guide? Okay, very good. No, I am just telling you. Okay, and even internship. Yes. No, he will take you. He will inform you. Okay, he will inform you. Don't worry about it. Okay, just you complete it and be prepared. Report of internship seminar, and when you come to the college, immediately you people have to submit. Are you understanding? Well, yes, Halaskar. Then we will start today. Second module. Simple problems will take first. There may be a chance of asking such questions. Okay, see, can you see now? This is a LPP problem, correct? So this is maximize z is equal to whatever 4x1 plus 7x2 he has given. So this equation is influenced by these constraints subjected to, correct? Can you see this? Well, sometimes you may have questions like formulate the following LPP problem, or you can say formulate the diol it is called, diol of the LPP. The question asking is formulate the diol of LPP. Okay, are you understanding now? Well, when this problem is given, the question, the problem given is maximize. Okay, but when the diol is asking, if the question is of diol, then we have to write minimize. We have to write minimize of the given problem. Halaskar. Yes, please. Shall I go to the next step? Solution, how to solve? Shall I will explain how to solve first. The given problem should be written first. The standard form of primal is, what is that? Same you write maximize. Maximize z is equal to 4x1 plus 7x2. Subject to, same right. See here, whenever maximization comes, always smaller than or equal to, am I right? Halaskar, can you hear me? Burmani? Yes. See, when maximize, remember, the indication should be smaller than or equal to, always. See here, the standard form of this given equation can be written as, just see, 3x1 3x1 plus 8x2 plus x3, you should add x1, x2, x3. Okay, whatever is larger than or equal to, smaller than or equal to, let us write is equal to 40. Can you see now? Next, same you write 4x1 plus 3x2, x3 already it has come, then you should write x4 is equal to 25. Next, 5x1 minus 4x2 plus x5, because x4 has come already. Next is x5 is equal to 5. Can you see the screen? Okay, are you going to study? Next, see here, one more is come, equation has come, x2 is come, plus x5 already occurred, then x6 should come here, is equal to 15. Okay, therefore xj larger than or equal to 0, whatever it is. Well, so the given equation, given LPP problem has to be, please you convert first like this. What is that? x1, x2 has come, plus you add x3, x4, x5 to the existed equations. See here, to the existed equation I have written but equal to, smaller than or equal to, he is saying. Let me write is equal to or equal to. After you write this standard, this is called standard form. The given equation is converted into standard form. Once if you write the standard form, then come to the point dual. Dual is, what was the objective? Maximize. But dual means we have to minimize. Is equal to, see here how these have come, 40, 25, 5, 15. See here, 40, 25, 5, 15. Yes, while writing the dual, start with minimization objective. Z is equal to 40 y1, because x standard form is x we are writing, but when we are doing a dual, it is supposed to be y. How 40 has come? Because see here, 40, 25, 5, 15. Same I have written, 40, 25, 5, 15. Because it is a dual of the given problem, the question asked was a dual, therefore y1, 25, y2, okay, y3 and y4. For 5 to 6 marks he is asking such questions in second module, remember this. Very simple idea this is. Halaskar, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Burmani, okay. Have you understood this, how it has come? Okay, 40 y1, same, whatever the values are given in, same you add here. That is minimization, minimize. We cannot write maximize because in the problem he has given maximize. That was asked. But when he is asking dual, our duty is to make it minimize. This equation is subjected to, see here, look at this here, subjected to 3, 4, 5. Am I right? Huh? See here, 3, 4, 5. y1, y2, y3. Minimization means, you know, this sign should be larger than or equal to, remember, because objective function here is minimize. Therefore it is supposed to be larger than or equal to. What is 4? See here, 4. See here, larger or equal to 4. Next, come here, 8, 3, minus 4, correct? Look at, see here, 8, 3, minus 4. Am I right? 8 is a plus, 3 is also plus, but 4 is minus. Come here, 8, 3, both they were plus, but 4 was minus. 8 y1 plus 3 y2 minus 4 y3. Where is 7? See here. It means these values are supposed to be larger than or equal to 4. These first terms, only these first, and second values should be larger than or equal to 7. Am I right? See here, 4 and 7. So this is the answer. Totally these are all unknown, y1, y2, y3 and y4, because up to 4 is there, up to y4 is there. They are all larger than or equal to 0. Am I right? Yes, come once again. Z is equal to 4x1 plus 7x2. Correct? Subjected to these values. So when you are writing the minimize, because the dual it was asked, formulate the dual of LPP. Okay? So dual is, this is what we have to write. What is dual? Dual of what? Dual of this equation, dual of this LPP problem. It means I should write minimize. Reverse of maximize is minimize. See here. First you should write that this is the objective function, 40 y1 25 y2 plus 5 y3, so and so forth. Subject to, come to here, this line 3 4 5. See here, 3 4 5. Because it is a dual form, I should not write x, I should write y only. y1, y2, y3. And which is, this equation is larger than or equal to 4. How 4 has come? This is. Am I right? Next. Come here. 8, 3 and minus 4. See here. 8, 3 minus 4. What is 7? 7 is this. Correct? So this is called as dual of the given maximized problem is, this is the answer. Are you understanding? Have you understood? If you do so, just make the reverse of the given problem. If you are making the reverse of the given problem, that is called as a dual. Okay? Yes. Shall I take one more to make it perfect? Well, take this problem. Can you read it? Ha. See, 3, it is maximized once again. Right? Okay. 3 1 1. Am I right? This is the objective function. Correct? Are you understanding or not? See here. Look at here. क्या होती? हाँ. See here. 3y1 plus y2 plus y3. Why it is? No, see here. Correct. Can you see now? Subjected to, first you look at 3 1 1. So given problem is maximize, but we have to minimize it. See here, minimize z. How these 3 1 1 has come? Have you got it idea? So this is going to be objective function is minimize, subjected to what I said. First values 1 minus 3 and 2. Correct? Because see here, subjected to, in the given original problem, 1 minus 3 2. So subjected to 1 minus 3 2. y1, 1 means there is nothing else, so I wrote y1, minus 3 is there. How it is minus 3? See here, and 2. See, same thing I have written, 1 y1 minus 3 y2 plus 2 y3. Okay, this is minimized, therefore it should be larger than or equal to 3. Where is 3? Where is 3? 3 is, see here in the given problem, 3. Next 17 comes. How it is? See 17, see here. What about this one? Minus 1, 2 and 1. Where it is? Come here. Minus 1, 2 and 1. So these terms should be larger than or equal to 17. See what are written? Minus 1, 2, 1. Of course y1, y2, y3 is larger than or equal to 17. Correct? Halaskar, can you listen me? Can you hear me? How you are getting values, you just remember it. Next, how this third has come? Just see what is third. 1. Okay, of course here is x3 is not there. If nothing is there, you can take it as a 1. Am I right? x1, x2, x3 are here. Here only x1, x2 is there. It is 1 and minus 5. Am I right? See here. Yes, 1, because x3 is there. 1 minus 5 is there last. See here. Third term I am talking of. 2 terms are more now. This is third. x3 is 1. Nothing is there. That is 1 and minus 5. Correct? Minus, where is second one? Yeah, plus 2. No, yaar, this is second. See, this is first term. x1, am I right? x2, second term. असं आहे रे. आणि थर्ड x3, कुठे आहे x3 ते? काय नाही म्हणजे 1. ये x3 आहे बघ. x3 म्हणजे -5 आहे. तेच लिहिलो मी इकडे. 1 y1 प्लस देर इज नो x3, therefore I wrote y2 x3 y2 minus 5 y3. 9 कुठून आलं हे? 9 हे बघ. maximize, see maximize is 9. That 9 I have written. हे तुम्हाला काय वाटलं टफ आहे हे सेकंड मॉड्यूल? एकदम इझी आहे. म्हणून मी काय गडबड करत नाही रे. सब्जेक्ट संपवायला गडबड मी कधी आयुष्यात करत नाही. कमी शिकूया पण परफेक्ट शिकूया. सगळं म्हणाले माझं सब्जेक्ट संपलं, सगळं 5 मॉड्यूल संपून टाकलं म्हणाले मास्तर लोक. मला अजीब वाटायला कसं काय संपतं. एवढं रोज घेऊन तरी आम्हाला अजून पुढे जाईना. देवाला माहिती त्यांनी कसं संपतात, काय प्रॉब्लेमॅटिक असेल तर. ओके, इट मीन्स वॉट एवर मॉड्यूल वी हॅव कवर्ड, वी हॅव टेकन व्हेरी स्लोली अँड व्हरायटीज ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स, and more important is unsolved problem. Correct? बरोबर आहे ने? मग एवढं सोडून आणि काय पाहिजे आम्हाला? फॉर जे शिकाले नाही, जे शिकाले नाही मुलगा एकदम परफेक्ट झाले त्यांनी. म्हणजे ते क्लासला येते, कोण बसते नाही, त्यांनी तर परफेक्ट आहे. मग क्लासला नाही आले तर मी तर काय करू? माझं काम मी करालो घरात. हां, रेग्युलर मी घ्यायलो क्लासेस आणि कधी कधी एक्स्ट्रा पण लई वेळ घेतलो मी. कॉलेजमध्ये असताना मास्तरनं बोलून हे तुम्ही नको मी घेतो घ्या म्हणून मी क्लासला येत होतो. का म्हणजे मला सब्जेक्ट क्लास पाहिजे रे, हे सब्जेक्ट असं आहे. तसं नव्हे की स्टोरी थिअरी सब्जेक्ट आहे, काय तर बोला आणि काय तर शिकवा आणि बोलून टाका सब्जेक्ट संपला म्हणून. मी तसं हे सब्जेक्ट तसं करायला येत नाही. समजलं नाही? करेक्ट? Yes, that is the reason I am going very slowly while teaching, but it should be perfect. And when you are anyway, I have posted I have posted in WhatsApp group few notes. Still the preparation I am doing it is going on still. But when you are coming to the college, now full hard copy I am giving you one set of notes. But before you join to the college, please, whatever notes you have got it already, be thorough. Be thorough. Okay? Have you understood what do you mean by dual? How to form a dual? Yes? Dual formation is very, very, very easy. Nothing else. Very simple topic. Second module is simple. But we'll take, don't worry, slowly we'll take, but let us make it perfect. I think second module is started today, am I right? Halaskar, can you hear me? Yeah, 4 modules completely we have covered and 5th module is started today. Okay, and please keep attending. Okay, I think these are the 2 problems. Again tomorrow also I will take another 2 to make it perfect. Okay, to make it perfect, let us take 2 more problems only on dual. Remember it. We have to study further simplex method, dual method. Dual anyway it is going on now. Big M method, 2-phase method. So second module covers 2 questions. Each module always covering 2 questions. Am I right? Yes. But at least one question we will cover. Yes, one question we have to attend. Therefore, let us cover one question only. That also they don't read. Ayyo, Shiva. Full. Okay. Yes, exactly. Then we'll take one question only in module 2. Correct? Simplex method and dual method. Let us see one more if possible. We'll take it and we'll say bye to the subject. Then any time, whenever you are free, if you have any doubt, confusion, always most welcome for me by any means, through mobile, phone, whatever it is. Okay, but I want you all have to be perfect, at least in the 3 questions, 3 modules, be perfect. Okay, don't leave any of the method in any module. Okay, and hope you enjoyed, you understood what do you mean by dual, how to form dual. Nothing else. Everything is given in the problem only. There only once and twice if you do practice, you will come to know how to write dual of the given problem. That's all. Okay, so tomorrow we will have 2 more problems. and we'll say we have covered DO. Procedure is same. Whatever number of problems you take it, procedure remains same. Yes, Halaskar, those whoever are attending the OR class, I think they are very much happy with my teaching. What do you want to say? And I don't know, but if they understand, that is enough for me. That is a gift for me. Okay. Instead of me, if somebody takes OR in the college, no, I think it is a gone case. Because you see, this OR requires lot of effort here. Because in each method, the procedure is different. कधी कधी आल्यारेड्डी सरनं सांगा की सर OR घ्यावं तुम्ही म्हणून. ते म्हणणार माझं पाहिजे तर ठेवा, नाही तर सांगा मी सोडून टाकतो म्हणतात. ते होत नाही. ते कुठल्या सब्जेक्ट पण पाप. आई हां 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 अय्यो शिव, मग काय रे एवढं सर्व्हिस झाला म्हणतात, 25-30 वर्ष सर्व्हिस म्हणतात, काय केलं काय देवाला माहिती. हां अय्यो पाप. हां शेट. ओके, आय हॅव टेकन HT, आय हॅव टेकन टर्बो, आय हॅव टेकन ATD. ओके, ऑल थर्मल सब्जेक्ट. हां करेक्ट नो. हां 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 yeah, your division I had taken ATD. Okay, notes and all was wonderful. I think with help of notes only, if somebody reads, no, they will get clear. Okay, with your blessing I am doing well my job sincerely, and please take care of yourself today. Very good day. Thank you once again. Thank you.